Wonder what we got today. Alright, another little package. Guys, we got tire letters. I've been always pumped on this mod. I don't know, I just like always see builds with tire letters and I'm like, I wonder if my car would really rock tire letters. They're like $100. I don't know if it was the best choice I've made, but your boy wanted them, so I went ahead and got them. One of the reasons why I got these beefy tires is simply because of the tire letters. I've always wanted to kind of like rock that look on my car, kind of see if I could pull it off with my build, and if not, oh well, I tried it. To clean the tires, they say use acetone, or rubbing alcohol, or like some special type of detergent. I've seen a lot of people use this stuff. It's acetone, same thing as nail polish remover. We'll go ahead and like clean each wheel pretty good. Probably like brush it a little bit with this stuff, so I can get every piece of dirt and oil and grease and animal blood from driving all over the roads. So let's get to it. Like wiping it down till there's not that much like dirt left on the towel. Trying to get it as clean as possible, basically. So I got everything all four cleaned off already using this stuff. Most important part is prepping it so the product would actually stick to it. So always make sure to like do your best job prepping. So with this kit, I got it off at treadwear.com. It comes with obviously the letters, comes with adhesive, and then I'll show you guys how to use this stuff. It's basically like a template, I guess you can say. There's like a clear piece I peel off and then I stick it onto the tire. Like imprints the letters from the tire on here, and then I can stick these on the back side. Put glue on the back, and then I can stick it on like a vinyl. So I'll show you guys how to do that. I know it's kind of complicated. After you sand it down, you just want to go over it again, instead of with another wipe of just regular alcohol. Just go over it again real quick. Quick wipe. And just let that dry. Once you peel this clear thing off of that piece, just stick it on the tire right here, and then it'll show like some type of imprint. I'm gonna go ahead and try that right now and see what happens. Oh, there you go. It literally shows it. I didn't even know it worked like that, honestly. The spacing. Yeah. Oh shoot, dude. Yeah, that's gonna be. I'm doing manually. So these are actually bigger than those letters. So I guess way more complicated than I thought it was. So I'm just gonna go ahead and probably do it manually and not use like some template. Okay, so I got one side done already. Here's how it looks. I kind of like ditched trying to like follow the actual tire letter, like the actual tire letter. I just kind of like freehanded, honestly, and just like kind of lined it up myself. Kind of because like this is a bigger tire than the front, so the spacing was different, so it kind of looked weird. These were like more like far apart, and those were like closer. So I kind of like removed some and then just made my own, I guess. The treadwear kit is kind of confusing. After I bought this one, I found out there was a kit that already had like a template like laid out already. It was already on a sticker, so you kind of just had to like put it on and that's it and peel it off. So I think that was like tireletters.com. So I don't mean to bash treadwear, but it was just kind of like difficult. It didn't really work with my tires, but I'm kind of like making the most I can out of this. So yeah, I'm gonna start getting on this side and then I'll show you guys. Got this one done. Looks straight. Yeah, I cannot wait till like these are rolling. Looks so cool. Just got one more left. So yeah, it wasn't as easy. Well, it was a really easy job, but it didn't go as the instructions said. I kind of just like did my own thing and like put it manually. But either way, I mean, they're not really that perfect, but they look good. I don't want to speak too much on it, but next week I'm getting my car painted.